Happy Friday, everyone, and welcome to Folks Homes Friday Facts as we explore the process of selling your home. This week, we're diving into the process of showings and open houses. This is where the buyers get a chance to get up close and personal with your home. They have an opportunity to walk through the halls and see the potential that your house has for their future home. When it comes to showings, nobody should be viewing your home without a licensed agent there, letting them into the property. First of all, this is for safety and security purposes. I want to ensure that your family and your belongings are safe and secure throughout the process of the showings. Making sure a licensed agent is showing the home is a requirement we put in place to ensure that security. Secondly, this allows us to be able to track who has seen your home and to be able to follow up with them and get some feedback on what they thought. Did they like the home? What would they change about it? What did they think of the price that we had it listed at? What did they think of the layout, the finishes? And this helps us get a better idea of how we should adjust our marketing if needed. When it comes to showings, I track each and every person who views your home and then follow up directly with each buyer's agent to get this feedback for us. We also host open houses. Now, if you don't feel comfortable having an open house and having a large number of people walking through your home at once, that's not a problem at all. There are ways we can definitely market your home without hosting an open house. However, I always like to encourage open houses because they allow people easy access to come and tour the home at their leisure, even if their buyer's agent is busy that day. When I host an open house, I'm always there to track who visits, answer any questions, and point out some of the wonderful features that make your home stand out from the rest. Open houses allow the neighbors, the community, and window shoppers to stop by and see what you have on the market. This could lead visitors to tell a friend or a relative moving to the area about your home and further market your listing by word of mouth. This also might be an opportunity for, let's say, somebody who's just getting started looking for houses and they fall in love with your home and bite the bullet and put an offer in right then. You never know if that right person will walk into your home at an open house and want to get you an amazing offer. Showings and open houses. Paired with great marketing, this is how we get your home sold. During these showings and open houses, we want to be sure your home looks as welcoming as possible. If you're still living there at the time, people will understand, but it's important to think the same way you do at showings as you do during the photo shoot. You want buyers to have a great first impression when they walk through the front door. You want your home to be neutral so that everyone who walks in can picture themselves living in this home. Picking up clutter, putting away stacks of papers, tossing all the dirty dishes into the dishwasher, lighting a couple candles, these are a great start to setting your home up for a buyer to walk through. Nobody wants to buy a home sight unseen. It's happening in this market, but it's not ideal. A great showing does wonders in getting maximum return on your investment. If I can help you out in anything real estate, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to serve. Well, I thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time.